front of you today, I can't help but think about all the moments that led us to this one. The laughter, the challenges, the countless ways you've shown me love. I still remember our little code smile. Back when you were still courting me, you'd give me flowers or food with a note that simply said smile. It was your quiet reminder that no matter what was happening, you wanted to see me happy. Always. At sa 12 years natin, hindi nagbago yun. You always make sure na okay ako. Doon pa lang alam ko na hindi ako mapapagod. Hindi ako mapapagod kasi karamay kita at kasama kita. At alam ko na hindi mo ako pababayaan. At dyan kita minahal. You've been my safe place. Pero akala ko yun na yun. You've given me even more reasons to love you because you respect me. You love me. You love my family. You love me patiently. You accepted me. You let me grow. You embraced my whole family. You kept the promise you made to my parents. And lastly, you waited for me. For 12 years, you waited for me. And for that, I will always be proud of you, of us, and forever grateful that we kept our promise to the Lord. So thank you. Thank you for waiting for me. And I promise, from this day forward,